Hi, this is 3D Maker Kid. Today I'm going to show you some cool things that I 3D printed with my 3D printer. First, I want to tell you the creators. The creators are Cat 129 and Pontolix. First, let's start with Pontolix. And also the 3D printer is a Creality Ender V3, a great beginner printer, and it's great for a family. So this is Trump Buddy, Pontolix design. He has great ear design, hair is good, and it's super smooth, and it's made to put on desk and smooth stuff with edges. So you got the hair, which is super cool. Got the nose, the eyes, the mouth, and his button. And he also has his thinking fingers on. And I really like them because you can set them on desk and you can do that. And it's super cool. You can also fidget with him. I'll keep you entertained for quite a while. And this is Bucky Cat. And it's a duck with a bill, 2 eyes. And I really like them. Surface on the bottom is smooth. That's smooth. That's smooth. Also, those 2 wings I really like. The eyes are good. And you do have the option to sand it down too. Which is something that I don't really do because I don't really feel like sanding stuff. But it's your option to do whatever you want to with this. He says it's a lava duck, but it's a 3D print. I don't think it actually will flow. I've never tested it, but you can test it yourself. Okay. Okay. I will leave the link into the bio of these 2 3D prints right now. I will. They're gonna be right at the name or under the name. Okay. I want a few subscribers. So I'm new to YouTube, so please subscribe and smash that like button. I'm a new content creator, so please subscribe. And thank you for watching my video if you've seen this. Peace. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. Then I'll make some more videos. And hopefully you like the next ones. Bye.